If you want to get iOS keyboard on Android, then keep watching this video till the end because I'm going to show you the exact steps on how you can get it. So you'll need a third-party application which is called Green Apple Keyboard. You can head over to your Play Store and search for Green Apple Keyboard. It will show you the app and you can simply install it from here. After the app is installed, open up the app. First you'll see an interface such like this. You'll simply need to tap on Enable in Settings and toggle the Green Apple Keyboard on. Currently it is off. Simply tap on it and tap on OK. Next, you'll need to tap on Switch Input Method and select the English, which is Green Apple Keyboard. You can see that the keyboard has now been switched from an Android keyboard to a iOS keyboard. That's how easily you can get iOS keyboard on Android.